Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, I'll teach you how to make a prime factorization, not prime factorization, like a prime number, a composite number calculator in Python. So let's get started. So this one is not a really long project. This should take a pretty decent amount of time, but it won't take that long. So it's just almost 20 lines. So let's get started. So we'll type def is underscore prime n. If n, and then we'll put the is less than sign. Let me find it is less than sign and then we'll put it there. Okay. If n is less than or equal to 1 or not is instance n comma int. Return false. Okay, so now after the return false statement, we'll want to type for I in range 2, comma, int. We'll put another brackets in there. And two multiply symbols, 0.5 plus 1. And we'll put a colon here. Now we'll type if n percent I double equals 0, return false. Okay, now we'll type return true. Now we'll skip line 8 and go to line 9. Now let's do try. Number equals float input enter a number, please. Okay. Now we'll go in line 11 and type if number exclamation mark equals int number or number is, let me find the sign, is less than 1. Then we'll do raise value error. Okay, now in line 14, we'll delete this part and type number equals int number. Except value error We'll select that and put the colon. Now we'll do print, please enter a positive integer only, please. So like what I mean by this, if you don't like know all the math terms and all that, it basically means like please enter a number that's not negative and it's like integer, like I mean like numbers that are like not like not decimals and all that, because you can't see if a number's prime or composite only by decimals. You can only see it if it's only an integer or all that. Okay, now in line 16, we'll delete this and type else if is underscore prime number print f string. Then we'll put the curly brackets in. Let me find the curly brackets. Okay, now we'll type f string number. We'll move here. Type is a prime number. Else print f string and then curly brackets number and then is not a prime number. Okay, now let's run this code. Let me find line 17. Okay, so it seems like I accidentally forgot that. Now let's do the code. As you see, now it says enter a number, please. Let's just enter like 1.5. Please enter a positive integer only. Now let's just type pizza. And now we can type negative 4444. It'll just say the same thing. Just please enter a positive integer. Now let's actually enter a positive integer. So it'll say 5 is a prime number. We'll do 1. 1 is not a prime number. It's technically true, but it's not a composite number either, because like prime numbers only have 2 factors and composite numbers have 3 or more factors, but 1 only has itself, so technically 1 won't really work. So we can enter other numbers than 1, like let's say 44. 44 is not a prime number. We can also write it like this. This is a prime number, and I think this will work better. Is a composite number. Let's enter like 76. It will type 76 is a composite number. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's lesson about the prime or composite calculator in Python. If you enjoyed this lesson, I really would appreciate it if you would like my channel, subscribe, and share this to your friends so they can also learn cool stuff. So thanks for watching today's lesson and have a great time.